Hi friends, I'm Nurse Dion, and today we're going to learn about the heart and the sounds it makes. This is our heart. The heart is an organ that moves blood throughout our body. Now blood takes in all the nutrients and oxygen it receives and moves through our body and helps give us energy throughout the day. Now let's listen to the sound our heart makes. Now your heart makes two sounds. The first sound is called lub, and that's when your heart squeezes and blood is being pushed from your heart to the rest of your body. The second sound your heart makes is called dub, and that's when your heart relaxes and blood fills back into your heart. Now let's take a listen. Lub, dub. That's the sound your heart makes. Isn't that cool?